In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a parent frame or component layout in Framer. To get started, open your active project inside the Framer workspace using your Chrome browser. Make sure you're in the correct project before you continue, especially if you work across multiple files. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid copying the wrong element later. Once your project is open, navigate to the section of the design that contains the layout you want to move. You're looking for the parent frame or the main component that holds the structure you need. This is important because selecting the parent frame ensures you copy the full layout, including the elements nested inside it, rather than just grabbing a single text layer, image, or smaller item by mistake. When you find the correct layout, click to select the parent frame or component. If your design has several overlapping layers, it may help to use the Layers panel to verify that you've selected the top-level container and not one of its child elements. This small check can save time and make sure the copied result behaves the way you expect when you paste or reuse it elsewhere. After the correct frame or component is selected, right-click directly on that selection to open the context menu. In the menu that appears, click Copy. If your version of Framer shows the option to copy as SVG, and that format is what you need, you can choose Copy as SVG instead. The option you choose depends on how you plan to use the copied layout. Standard copy is usually the best choice when you want to keep working with the design structure, while SVG can be useful if you need a scalable graphic version. Once you've copied it, the selected layout is now ready to be pasted wherever you need it next. Before moving on, it's always a good idea to double check that you copied the correct parent element, especially if the layout contains multiple group sections. And that's it. You've successfully copied a parent frame or component layout inside Framer. If you follow this method carefully, you'll make it much easier to move, reuse, or transfer full design sections without losing structure.